In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur parts of a video in Kapwing. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to put in your video here inside your timeline. I just have one of my tutorials over here for this example. And then what you want to do is basically click on it down here and you want to make a copy of it. Okay, so the easiest way to do that is by just pressing Ctrl C and then Ctrl V to actually make a copy. And you want to put one copy above the other. Then you want to go ahead and select the one that's above, so the one that's on the top. So it's two same videos. Click the one on top, and then it's going to pop up a bunch of different options here on the right. You want to scroll to the very top or click on edit, and you want to click on the crop. Now in here, this will allow you to basically select where you want your blur to be. So for example, let's say I want to blur these two things over here. I can go ahead and just position it like this. And as you can see, let's say that's the blur I want. You can then scroll down to the very bottom over here where you'll see under other, it's going to say blur. So you want to go ahead and just increase this blur. And there we go. I've successfully blurred just a part of my video over here. And that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.